Good morning, everyone. Our lesson for today is all about adding notes and dotted notes. Dot, it is a small or mark placed on the right side of any note or rest. It increases the time value or durations of the note or rest by half of its original value. An eighth note is worth one half beat. When a dot is added, the dot is worth one half of one half beat is one fourth beat. Therefore, a dotted equivalent of 8 note is worth for 3/4 beat. Dotted notes. Dotted whole notes, dotted half notes, dotted quarter notes, dotted eighth note. A dot increases the length of a note by one half of its value. Dotted whole note is equivalent for 6 beats. Dotted one half note is equivalent for 3 beats. Dotted one fourth note is equivalent for 1.5 beat. Dotted eighth note is equivalent for 3/4 beat. Meter. Beats, it creates rhythm and it can be divided into groups of 2, 3, or 4. The organized grouping of beats into repeating pattern is called meter. Meter, it is the arrangement of rhythm into patterns of strong and weak beats. The common meters. Number 1 is what we call duple meters. It is a meter with 2 beats in a measure. A strong emphasis is felt on the first beat followed by a weak beat on the second. The second common meters is what we call the triple meters. A meter with 3 beats in a measure. Strong emphasis is felt on the first beat followed by weak beat on the second and third. The third one is what we call the quadruple meter. It is a meter with 4 beats in a measure. Strong emphasis is felt on the first beat, followed by a weak beat on the second, medium strong emphasis on the third beat, and a weak beat on the fourth. Let's practice the exercise here. Draw a bar line in their correct meter. That's the end of our lesson for today. Thank you for listening and keep safe.